Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, July 24, 2021. Today's video is about John Adams Dix. John Adams Dix, July 24, 1798, April 21, 1879, was Secretary of the Treasury, Governor of New York and a Major General in the Union Army during the American Civil War. He was notable for arresting the pro-Southern Maryland General Assembly, preventing that divided border state from seceding, and for arranging a system for prisoner exchange via the Dix Hill Cartel, concluded in partnership with Confederate Major General Daniel Harvey Hill. This line engraving of Dix was produced around 1902 by the Department of the Treasury's Bureau of Engraving and Printing, BEP, as part of a BEP presentation album of the first 42 secretaries of the Treasury. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.